So alright guys, in the previous video we have seen how to render all the blocks dynamically. Now it's time for us to create we have to create a feature, so whenever the user clicks on this or right here, it will take him or her to the blog page. So let's just use that. So I need to use here um, in just below compose. So or let's just create a new file right here. So we will have here blog.js and we will have everything same. So let's just copy it, paste it right here, and we will use a router.get, and we will have here blog, and we will have that id. Now we have request response, and we will just export it for now. Modules.export is equal to router, copy it and integrate it right here blog. So it's fine. Now let me just remove this all stuffs so that I don't mess much around this. So let's just go to the blog.js file, and we will just grab this from the URL parameter. So I will use here id is equal to request.params. So we will grab that id, and we also need to import that user.js file. So I will use a const blog. So require from one current directory previous, we want to go to the models directory, and we want to integrate that blog.js file. Now by using this we can fetch the particular data. So I will use here const. So we need to make this async function, because here is a asynchronous task, so we need to use it wrap into a asynchronous function. And if you haven't watched, so make sure to watch my previous tutorial, because I have already mentioned about this, how asynchronous function is, what to do, promises. So I have already talked about in previous videos. So now I will get blog is equal to await blog dot find one, and we want to find that to be id. We want to find on the basis of id to be of id. Now when we get it, so when we get it, I will just render response dot render uh, blog, or let's just get particular blog, and we will send the data, that is blog, to be get blog. And we will have here object, so we don't want to loop over it. So let's just go and create here particular blog dot ejs, and we want to grab this all. So I am too lazy to work, so we will have a div dot container and margin top of 5, and we will have here h2, and we will just use here blog dot title, and we will have here paragraph of class to be text muted, that is blog dot posted at, and we will just write here published at, and we will have here content. So p class to be of, let's say, margin top we want 5, and we will have here blog dot content. So let's see if we can use this. So I think we can't use this, because we need to integrate it right here in both fields. So let's just go to the index.js file, and we will use here slash blog slash, and we will use here blog dot id. Okay, and let's just copy this and paste it same right here. We need to cut that. So let's just refresh it and click on the read more, and as you can see we got that blog. So if I click here, right, sorry, we need to specify, I think we need to use that here in the nav bar. We need to be a home route. So let's just refresh it again and click on the blogging. We got in the home page, and we are also in the home page right now. And if I click at this in the read more, as you can see we got that content published at, this is the title, and we have here right blog. So this is how you can build your own blog using Node.js Express.js, and I will provide the source code in the description, so make sure if you want to download it, just grab that right here. So as you can see, we can just go to the compose route and we can enter the title, like let's say native font stack, copy, just copy it and paste it right here, and compose. As you can see we have here, and as you can see, if you want something like that, you want according to the published date, so you can just reverse it. So what I will do is, when I will go to the index.js file, before looping over it, I will just uh, I will reverse it. So I will write here blogs.reverse. So this will reverse the blog for me, and if I hit refresh again, as you can see we are getting according to the post date. So as you can see, I can go here and I can publish my each and every blogs. I can go right here, and we can also integrate the delete. So if you want, just comment down, or we will just have that here only. So if you want, then just comment down. I will also add the functionality of delete and update. So I will see you in the next video.